Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can lock your WhatsApp chats and how you can hide them and then make them searchable by a secret code. Make sure that you watch this to the end so that you know how to find your chats with the secret code. Otherwise, you're not going to be able to find them. All right, let's start. Open up WhatsApp and swipe left on the conversation that you want to hide and tap on More. Go down until you see Lock Chat and tap on that. Yeah, we'll just give you a short explanation on how to lock and unlock your chats. So you can go ahead and tap on Continue, and then it will use your Face ID to lock the chat. At this point, your chat is not hidden yet, but it will create a new menu item at the top where it says Lock Chats. All your locked chats will be removed and they will be grouped in this section. To access them, pull down on your menu and tap on Lock Chats, and it will use your Face ID to access them. This menu will always be available on your phone if you don't hide them. So to hide them, tap on the right-hand corner and say Hide Chats. Once you activate Hide Chats, it will ask you to create a secret code. Go ahead and create any secret code. For this, I'm just going to use 1234. And then verify that code again. Now our chat is completely hidden, even from the main menu. So if we go back to the main menu, you'll see that we don't have the grouping of locked chats anymore because we've now completely hidden them. So even swiping down, this will not allow the locked chats to pop up. What you need to do is in the search bar, search for the code that you have just created. In my case, it was 1234. And then right at the top, you'll see locked chats. This is how you can access your locked chats. Now, just to show you that this only works with the code that you have created, if you type in a random code, in this case, I'm just going to type in 1245, and nothing pops up. We have to use the secret code that we created, which brings up the menu for your locked chats. And that is how you hide your chats and keep them secret on WhatsApp. I hope this video has helped you. Please remember to give this video a like and also subscribe to the channel. Bye for now.